Here we are today at JTech, and we're gonna talk about the timing of an engine and putting the timing chain back together. So just put this one back together, and on your camshaft you should always have some marks that'll line up with the chain. Make sure that's aligned. And putting the head back on, you have head bolts about every 3 inches from each other, and they all have specific torque and a sequence pattern, which on this it's from the middle, from this middle screw diagonal all the way out each side. Screws. That's the timing chain adjuster here. And your timing chain adjuster, when you install it back in, you want to make sure that your crankshaft is at the right position with the mark on the end of the crankshaft sprocket. And you make sure the gear is timed correctly with the chain by making sure the chain is lined up top. And then you could tighten in the timing chain adjusters and the tensioner. There's the camshaft right here. There's a camshaft timing mark right here on the gear. And when you put it back, everything has to be perfect. Here are your bearings for your camshaft cap bearings. Here is your fuel rail here. And on the back, this one doesn't have it, but it's usually a flywheel on the back.